2014 Equinox. Gonna be doing the AC compressor. First thing you want to do, take a little bit off, undo that line there. Of course, undo this. You got one under here. Do that, pull that off. Then you're gonna pull this off, and then we're gonna undo the belt. We're gonna do some of it from underneath. I'm gonna show you, and take the lines off from up top. All right, let's get started. Alright, we're going to take the lines off. Do the switches out of your way. The lines are going to be 13s. Now one block. It's going to be right in the middle, right there. See if I can get you down there. One block. It'll be right there. We'll take that off and move these lines out of the way. And we'll take this belt off too. It's got a tensioner on the side here. Alright, first thing you want to do is take the belt off. Get you a 1/2 inch, 3/8 ratchet. Go like this. You'll take the belt off. I think I'm gonna get most of it from down here. I thought I was gonna get some from the top, but I think I'm just gonna get the line from the top and the rest of it down here. So it looks like you got plenty of room right here. So let's just try that and see how that goes. I did get the top line from up top. Just use a extension and a swivel on the end. So I did get it from up top. Just get that nut. But I think the rest I'm gonna try to get from bottom. See, I just used that, and then of course you got your nut on it down here. And it's got a block on it, so all the lines are into one. Just kind of ease it off like that. Kind of move it out of your way like that. You'll be able to get to the rest of them. I'm just gonna move the lines right over here like that. Then we'll go down to the bottom. And I think, like I said, I believe it's gonna be I think it's gonna be easier from the bottom just to get everything. So let's get started with that real quick. Okay, on these right here, on the side one right here, there's a short one. Now there's one up top. I use the deep well. And I got it from up top, and you got one right down here. And I got it with a small one. So I'm gonna leave that one in there just a little bit. I'll take this one out. I think we can use a deep well on that one. Let's try it. Let's try that real quick. I went ahead and got that top one with a deep well, and you get this one with a deep well too. Just kind of pull it out. Okay, pull that one out right there. That's why I left the little one a little bit loose down here on the bottom, so I had a little bit of something to work with. So we'll undo that one, and that should be it. It's gonna come off that stud up here at the top. Okay, I didn't have to pull that stud out. I just kind of pulled it off and pulled it around, but you will be able to pull it through here. Just kind of maneuver it really slowly, and it will come out. And there's the old one. Put the new one in. Make sure you match everything up. This one looks just like this one, identical. We'll have to take the stud out, transfer it to here. Besides that, everything is looking good. Once you get it on that stud, you'll be all right. Let's turn it this way. Don't be saying. Alright, probably easier to go up top, be the top one, so we'll go up there. Alright, we're gonna do the nut right here on that stud, and we'll put the nut on the line right there. And we'll put the nut on that one. Now we'll put the nut on the line here. There we go. And tighten them all up. Make sure you plug up everything also. Tighten up the line right here. And we'll put on the belt. Alright, now we're done. Thanks for watching.